Hi guys, welcome to Print. I'm your host Anveer, and today we are doing a CMYK video. This CMYK print we have done in our previous workshop with our participant. So this is a weight on weight process, CMYK. You can do multiple colors with the help of only 4 screens. So guys, if you also want to learn how to do CMYK, you can join our workshop. So we'll teach you how to do CMYK. Or if you already know, then do like a video if you like this content informative for you. So without any delay, let's start the video. So guys, you have seen the print quality, how is CMYK done, and so beautifully the gradient effect of the cat came, all the gradient effect and everything you have seen in the video. It's lovely print. It's like a very cool summer print. So we have done in last session of our training classes. So and here we have used 200 number mesh process plastic sol color print type super series and weight on weight process. Remember guys, this is very important in CMYK. No need to dry in between, you have to do weight on weight, light to dark, from yellow to the darker color. So this is how we have done. Hope we have made some informative video for you guys and you like the video. Or if you have any doubt, you can comment us in our YouTube video and we'll try to reply you. Or for other consult for the machineries and training, call us in the number given in the screen. So guys, Ranveer signing up for this video. We'll come in the next video with some new informative things in printing. And till then, stay safe, stay tuned. See you soon. Bye-bye.